Well, I guess it ends the video if you exit out. So we had to start the video again. So, clip 2. 2 of the same video. Oh, it's gonna get bumpy. Phone might fall. Just a heads up. So we're gonna try this. Oh goodness gracious. That's gonna be fun. Oh, this phone's gonna fall. I just know it. Oh goodness. Michigan roads, here we come. Oh. Oh goodness. There it goes. Here, I gotta do this. Sorry guys, but here it goes. We gotta do this. I'll still talk, you're gonna see it on dash.
In 1 mile, turn left onto 40th Avenue.
Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, man. But you can see the phone shaking. So bad this road is. Let's see if I can get that phone to fall. Oh, goodness gracious. This is worse than the roads in Kalamazoo. There we go. It's a bad spot. The road's coming up, so let's see if I can get the block before that. Oh boy, here it goes. This road should be. What the heck? Where's this road at? I don't see this road.
Turn left onto 40th Avenue.
This road was not where it said it was.
In 3/4 of a mile, prepare to park your car near 40th Avenue.
Whatever.
You will need to walk to your destination from there.
I'll be back.